The United States, United Kingdom, China and Russia are some of the countries currently manufacturing COVID-19 vaccines. Africa wants vaccine manufacturers not to impose intellectual property on their products. This would allow for the continent to enjoy the transfer of technology and enable countries to produce their own more affordable generic treatments for the duration of the pandemic.
We know that we will be in this race for vaccine for long, and for several reasons. We truly are dealing with a new virus. We don't know that for how long, when people receive vaccines, the protection will last. And if it happens, it so happens, and just so happen, this is hypothetical, that the vaccines will require that we do periodic vaccinations. You also require that Africa is well positioned and equipped to be able to manufacture vaccines locally, so that, or continent-wide, so that we can at least meet a demand. I mean, for a continent of 1.2 billion people.
So far, a handful of countries like the United States, Canada, United Kingdom and European Union have ordered for more vaccine doses than their population size. At least 600 million doses of vaccines through the WHO-supported COVAX facility are yet to arrive as Africa awaits its orders. And even this will only cover about 20% of the population. The World Health Organization has launched a declaration that is seeking long-term vaccine equity.
It calls for vaccine manufacturers to share know-how with the COVID-19 technology access pool to scale up vaccine manufacturing and dramatically increase the global supply of vaccines.
But the European Union, UK and the United States have been opposed to the waiver. They argue that imposing a waiver on patenting contradicts the same system that has enabled manufacturers to produce COVID-19 vaccines at such a short notice. Some vaccine manufacturers have also said that the action will not solve the challenge of vaccine access. The next formal meeting to discuss this issue at the WTO has been set for 10th and 11th of March this year. Coletta, Wanjohi, SABC News, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia.